Hi everyone, welcome to our presentations, and today we will cover chapter 12 and 13. So now let's get started with chapter 12, marketing channels. So companies, they basically can't deliver value alone. They have to rely on a value delivery network because it's networks, not individual firms that compete. Marketing channels are made of interdependent organizations that bring products or services to consumers. So intermediaries add context, expertise, specialization, and skills. Channels perform key functions in two areas. The first one is completing transactions. It is all about gathering information, promoting products, contacting buyers, matching offers to needs, and negotiating prices. And the second one is fulfilling transactions. It is about distributing goods, financing operations, and assuming risk. So channels work best when each member focuses on what it does best. Success depends on coordinations, understanding roles, and corporations. So large companies use formal structures to assign roles and provide leaderships.
Okay, but in a distribution channel composed of independent firms, leaderships and power are not formally set. Traditionally, distribution channels have lacked the leadership needed to assign roles and manage conflict. In recent years, however, new types of channel organizations have appeared that provide stronger leadership and improve performance. Moving on to the next section is how to identify the major channel that alternative open to a company. Channel alternative vary from direct selling to using one, two, or three or more intermediary channel levels. Marketing channels face continuous and sometimes dramatic change. Three of the most important trends are the growth of vertical, horizontal, and multi-channel marketing system. These trends affect channel cooperations, conflict, and competition. Channel design begin with assessing customers' channel service needs and company channel objective and constraints. To do this, the company must then identify the major channel alternative in terms of the type of intermediaries, the number of intermediaries, and the channel responsibilities of each. Each channel alternative must be evaluated according to economic control and adaptive criteria. And one of the most important roles, channel management calls for selecting qualified intermediaries and motivating them. Individual channel members must be evaluated regularly. In the next part, we will be able to explain how companies select, motivate, and evaluate channel members. Producers differ in how effectively they can attract and maintain relationships with qualified marketing intermediaries. Still, some producers have no trouble signing up channel members, whereas others have to work hard in the line up enough qualified intermediaries. When selecting intermediaries, the company should evaluate each channel member's qualification and select those the best fit its channel objective. Once selected, channels members must be continuously motivated to do their best. The company must sell not only through the intermediaries but also with them. It should forge strong partnership with channel members to create a marketing system that meets the needs of both.
Marketing logistics or physical distribution is an area of potentially high cost saving and improved customer satisfaction. In particular, marketing logistics addresses not only outbound logistics but also inbound and reverse logistics. It therefore involves the entire supply chain. managing value-added flow between supplier, the company, reseller, and final users. However, no logistics system can both maximize customer service and minimize distribution cost. Thus, the goal of logistic management is to provide a targeted level of service at the least cost. Specifically, the major logistic functions are warehousing, inventory management, transportation, and logistic information management. Furthermore, the integrated supply chain management concept recognizes the improved logistics require teamwork in the form of close working relationship across functional areas inside the company and across various organizations in the supply chains. To achieve this, company can create cross-functional logistics team, integrative supply manager position, and senior level logistic executive position with cross-functional authorities. In addition, general partnership can take form of cross-company teams, shared project, and information sharing system. Finally, today, some companies are outsourcing their logistic function to third-party logistic providers to save costs, improve efficiency, and gain faster and more effective access to global market.
Now let's take a look at the role of retailers and wholesalers in distribution channels, their key marketing decisions, and current trends in the industry. We'll cover four main objectives. First, the role of retailers and types of retailers. Second, major retailer marketing decisions. Third, retailing trends and developments. And finally, types of wholesalers and their marketing strategies. The first one is role of retailers. So retailing includes all activities involved in selling goods or services directly to final consumers for personal, non-business use. The primary role of retailers is to connect brands with consumers, acting as the final link in the distribution chain. Retailers can be classified in several ways. By level of service, we have self-service like supermarkets, limited service like JCPenney, full service like Nordstrom. By product line, such as specialty stores, department stores, supermarkets, convenience stores, superstores, and category killers. Or by pricing strategy, we have discount stores, off-price retailers, factory outlets, and warehouse clubs. And by organizations type, like corporate chains, voluntary chains, retailer cooperatives, franchises, and independent stores. Or omni-channel retailing integrates in-store, online, and mobile shopping to provide a seamless customer experience across all channels.
Continuing from that, retailers need to make several important marketing decisions to satisfy their target customers. They begin by identifying who they want to serve and positioning their store to match customers' expectations. Then, they decided on the right mix of products and services, including what to sell and what kind of support or benefit to provide. Pricing decisions must be consistent with the target market, store image, and competitions. Promotion is also play an important role in creating awareness and building relationships through advertising, sale promotions, public relations, and social media. Locations is another key factor. Stores should be easy to access and reflect the brand's positionings. Together, these decisions help retailers build a value-driven strategies that create satisfactions and long-term loyalty. Retailing today is changing quickly because of technology, competitions, and new customers' behavior. Customers are becoming more value conscious, so retailers need to focus on qualities and affordabilities. We can also see new retail formats and more overlaps between different store types. Large mega retailers continue to grow, and many companies are now using omni-channel strategies that connect online, mobile, and physical shopping experience. Technologies is also transforming retailing through better inventory control, personalizations, and self-checkout system. At the same time, sustainability is becoming more important, with many retailers working toward eco-friendly and responsible operations. Finally, global expansions allow retailers to reach new markets and strengthens their competitive advantage.
Wholesaling involves selling goods and services to buyers for resales or business use. A main type of wholesalers is the first one is merchant wholesalers who own the goods and that they sell. Full service industrial distributor. Limited service is cash and carry drop shippers and rag choppers. The second one is brokers and agents. They do not own goods. They just connect buyers and sellers for commissions. The third one is manufacturers and retailers, branches or offices, owned by sellers or buyers to bypass independent wholesalers. Wholesalers are marketing decisions. Wholesalers make key decisions based on the product and service assortment, pricings, promotions, place and distribution efficiencies. Modern wholesalers focus on value-add services such as logistics, market information, and inventory management, while adapting to technology-driven efficiencies and sustainability pressures. Conclusions: retailers and wholesalers are essential links in distribution channels. Success requires understanding customers and markets, optimizing product, price, promotions, and place, and embracing technologies and sustainability. Ultimately, a strong distribution strategy creates customer value, competitive advantage, and sustainable growth.